Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with JJ. In this week's episode, I'm making a crispy rice with a spicy tuna. It is a copycat recipe, and the original recipe comes from the restaurant Nobu, which is a Japanese restaurant with a Peruvian fusion in the mix. This particular recipe seems to have taken the world by storm, so I'm bringing you a very delicious vegan version and showing you how you can enjoy a restaurant quality meal at home without the high price tag. I'm really excited to get started and of course enjoy this delicious meal in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! First of all, you want to cook some sushi rice. I have a 3/4 cups worth of dry rice that has been rinsed a few times. I'm preparing one of our sides while the rice cooks, which is our edamame. I'm just adding toasted sesame oil to our cooked and drained edamame. You may want to add a touch of soy sauce. I'm adding a simple Japanese seasoning, which is roasted black seaweed with some sesame seeds. For this side, I plan to serve it cold, so I'll pop it in the fridge until I'm ready to eat. You may also like to serve this hot and prepare it closer to when you're ready. Add some Mirin, salt, and a little raw sugar to your cooked rice. Then you'll want to pack it into a rectangular parchment-lined dish. You don't want the pieces to be too thick. Sushi-sized pieces is what we want. Spread out the rice evenly and add a piece of parchment paper on top. Press it down firmly, but don't go too crazy. I'll pop the rice in the fridge while I prepare the other side. For our other side, I'm using some fennel. A common Japanese combo is daikon radish peel with carrots for a simple stir fry. I'm switching things up with this fennel. Cut your fennel into strips, although they'll be curved strips. Here's one large carrot I'm also cutting into strips. Our rice is ready to go, so I'm peeling off the parchment paper. Flip the dish over onto a lightly oiled cutting board. We're going to cut equal sized pieces. You may have to wet your knife a couple of times. Our oil is hot and we're ready to deep fry our rice pieces. Feel free to coat them in a cornstarch seasoning of your choice. I'm slicing up a jalapeño now. Gently scoop out your fried rice with a metal utensil and place them on a paper towel lined plate. Here are all our crispy rice pieces. We'll be using some lemon juice for our tuna mixture. I'm slicing up some green onions that will be for a garnish. I have our Omni tuna here, which is a vegan version of tuna. and we'll get mixing. We'll pop our Omni tuna in this bowl here. Add a teaspoon of our vegan mayo, 2 teaspoons of our sriracha, a half a teaspoon of soy sauce, and a couple of pinches of our black garlic powder. And I'm adding 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'll mix it all up with this fork here. I have some sesame oil in this pan here and I'm frying up our ginger slices. Be sure it's the untoasted sesame oil. Now I'm adding our fennel and carrot to the pan. Stir it all up. I chopped up a red chili pepper and I'm adding it in the mix. Add a splash or 2 of Mirin. Mix everything all up. Add a little soy sauce to coat everything. I'll also be mixing in some kombu slices. You can use seaweed or a sea vegetable of your choice. I'm cutting up our avocado that will top our crispy rice pieces. I'm topping our fried rice pieces with our spicy tuna. Now I'm adding our jalapeno and our avocado. Feel free to rearrange it however you want. We got our fennel carrot stir fry on the side here and our edamame. And I remembered to add our kombu sea vegetable in the mix with our stir fry. Top your stir fry with your green onions and you're ready to go. It's that time again, everyone. I get to try our delicious meal here. Our crispy rice with our spicy tuna, our vegan tuna. We got our edamame and our beautiful little stir fry here. Simple, and I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. You're welcome to add a little side of soy sauce if you wish. I'm gonna start with trying it without any extra sauce. Excellent. We got a little bit of sweetness from the raw sugar, of course, our mirin, a little bit of acidity, a nice pop of spice, a perfect balance. Goes perfectly with our bonus pairings, our edamame and a little stir fry. Nice combo of flavors got going on here. The fennel was a good call with this combo. So there you have it, everyone, another delicious recipe to add to your recipe booklets with a couple of bonuses in the mix. Remember, if you do like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There'll be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit!